Good morning, everyone. I'm vlogging today. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today, I want to get the apartment qualified. Some stuff I went to Target the other day. I didn't vlog it because I didn't know I was going to Target, but then my friend Katie just kind of popped by and we went there and it was great. But I got quite a few things and I am going to set them out, make them look all nice. Well, they're already set out, but I will show you what they are. I am still waiting on a couple of more things. I don't know if that's going to get here in time for when this vlog goes up, but if they do, then great. If not, then I'll show them to you on my phone. I tried the new apple crisp macchiato from Starbucks and I've heard so many people saying that this is like super sweet. I don't think so at all. I think it's pretty good. I don't think it's that sweet. No, it just tastes like a normal amount of sweetness, like a medium sweetness. It doesn't taste overly sweet to me. I never go to Starbucks. I don't know why, I just never go. That's it for now. You saw me make my dice earlier. I've had a little bit of a problem with pouring it. So if you saw that in the clip, I apologize. Don't judge me too harshly, but I had a little bit of issues pouring it because for these dice that I was making, I wanted to do like a Halloween themed dice. I had little cauldron Fimo slices and I had some blue glow-in-the-dark powder that I put in my resin. But when it comes to Fimo slices, they're really heavy. They're a lot heavier than normal baby glitters. So you had to wait for your resin. It's called a pot life. So you pour your resin, you mix it together, then you put all your stuff in it, and then you have to let it sit and like thicken. So it took like 30 minutes for my resin to become thick. So then you put in the Fimo slices so they don't all sink to the bottom. So I had to do that, and then I had never poured with like a super thick resin before. So it was like going everywhere. But I did get it in finally. And that's what she said. And so they're in the pressure pot, so I'm hoping that they'll turn out okay. They're going to be cooking in there for 12 hours, so we shall see at like 9 p.m. I really hope they turn out okay. Like I'm really excited for this set, so I hope they're good. But I do want to show you some sets that I have completed so far. I know not many of you give two shits about this dice stuff, but I'm really into it, so humor me for a little bit if you please. I'm gonna swap you over to my phone really quick because this camera doesn't do a very good job at macroing. I have to use a macro lens to get good shots of these, so I bought a really good macro lens from Amazon. This thing was great. It was like 30 bucks. I'm gonna switch over to my phone so I can show you some of the dice that I've made. So here's one of the first sets I did. I have to have a lot of light because it's very dark in here, but it's super cute, I think. Like I like it a lot. And it's very kind of ethereal, fairy, I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute. And then I inked it in this like nice silver. It's like a pearlescent white. I think it's pretty. And then I'll show you the first set that I ever made. This right here was the first set that I ever made, and I'm actually really proud of these. They turned out really nice. I'm using a second light just so I can show you these better. But I have my macro lens on my camera, and I think it works super well, but I really, really love how this one came out. I love the foiling. And I didn't sand them very well, but just because it was my first time doing any of that, but I'm still impressed and I like them, so yeah. Oh, and I'll have to show you the ones that I pulled last night. Look at these babies. I haven't sanded these or anything. They're raw and I haven't inked them, but look at these beauties. They're actually kind of a twist on these ones because I tried to make the same ones again, but I accidentally added 2 drops of blue resin pigment instead of 1. So if you do 2 drops of blue, and then I did 1 drop of violet, and this one I only did 1 drop of blue. So that's why it's so light. But this one I did 2 drops of blue by accident, and then I just was like, okay, well that's gonna be way too blue, so I did 1 drop of violet. And oh man, these are stunning. I love this. And I added a little more color shift powder than I did in these. So yeah, I'm super excited about it. If you don't know, I have a dice Instagram. It's called Magecraft Dice. If you want to see my dice journey, follow me over there. Anyways, that's enough about my dice. So I want to show you a couple things that I don't think will get here by the time that I finish this vlog. But these are some other things that I got for my fall/Halloween apartment makeover. These are so cute. They're from Etsy. Here is the name of the Etsy shop, if it'll focus. There it is. And these are the cutest little potion bottles. And I picked up cat hisses, and I got this one right here, which is poison. This one, super cool. And then, let's see, what other ones did I get? Yeah, black cat hisses. Oh, witch's brew and poison. So the witch's brew is really cool too. Definitely awesome. So adorable little potion bottles. So I'm very excited for these. And then another thing that I did order that I don't think will be here in time is this cute little woven pumpkin pillow. Listen, I tried to buy this from Pottery Barn so many times, but they're always out of stock and it can't ship. And the closest Pottery Barn to me is like 35-40 minutes away, and I don't want to drive that far for one pillow. So I just ordered this one from Etsy. It's super cute. They're around the same price and it matches. Like, it matches the aesthetic, like the white and blue. Except, you know, it's not blue, but it is white, so it does still match. And the name of the Etsy shop for that one is right here. But the other stuff I do already have, so I'll go ahead and show you. And these are all things that I got at Target. I swear, I was so excited because there were a few of these things that I really wanted, but they did not have them available to ship. Couldn't do store pickup, so I had to actually go to the store. And when there was one certain thing that I have over there that I'm obsessed with, that they actually said on the app that they did not have in store, not in my store. They had it in a store that was really far away from me. But I did find it at my Target, and you won't even believe the amount of happiness that came out of me when I found it. Oh my god. So the first thing I got is this little pumpkin candle. It says a candle, but you can't actually light it, but it just looks and feels like a candle. But on the butt right here, you can turn it on. Look at that. And it lights up. It's so cute. I need to actually switch this thing out. This is more of like a summer boho feel, but I do have one that's a pumpkin. It's like a pumpkin, kind of like a candy bowl, if you will, but super cute. I love this. And this little area right here is one of my favorites now. I love this so much. This little hanger, the little moon shelf, I got this from FabFitFun, and I put a little amethyst crystal, and then I put a little candle from Mythology Candle. I love these candles. They're super good. And then these little ghosts, I found them on Etsy. I'll have the seller's name right here. But I love these little ghosts. So these are also candles, but you can light these. I won't light them because I don't want their little heads to get all deformed and messed up, but oh my gosh, these are the cutest little things and I love them to pieces. You guys have seen these in the last couple of vlogs. These are my two are they Squishables? Squishables. Yeah, they're Squishables for sure. So this one is my little plague doctor. I got this guy last year. I actually got this for Raph because he loves plague doctors. He has like a plague doctor mask and stuff, as you've seen before. So I actually got this for him, and then so whenever he gets back, maybe he'll put it in his office or something. And then I got this little Grim Reaper. Is the cutest little guy. I love them so much, and these guys always come out when it's time for Halloween time, just because who can't have these guys here? They're so cute. And then I got this little plant. This is not part of like a Halloween thing, but I just really liked the plant. So I picked that up. And then I got two of these guys. They're so cute. I didn't realize that these also light up until I got home, and I don't have AAA batteries. Please do not mind what's on my TV. I'm watching Critical Role, but this is like a suggested video for next time, and I don't know why it's just this guy's face. Freaking, what's his name? Big Ed, Big Al, I forgot his name. And then here's the other one on this side. So I have them on both sides of my TV. Super cute. And then I have this little pumpkin. I love this one. I like how it has the little stripes of orange in it, and it will match my little Hocus Pocus pillow. I'm very corny. I need to get rid of this because it does not match the decor at all. But I have it for now. The little Hocus Pocus pillow is there. I actually need to put these out. I haven't put these out yet. Mom washed these for me, and I got some Halloween towels. I love these. These are my favorite because I just love the giant jack-o'-lantern faces. So I'm gonna put this one over here and just kind of swap these out because this one is dirty. And then this one is one that my mom got a long time ago. The camera's battery's flashing. And then I got this one, which is so cute. It says eek. There's a skeleton on it. I love this one. This one I got from Target. It's the cutest little thing. It's got little skulls. Yeah, there was one more. Oh, I have to tell my mom I'm missing one. There was one more that was orange and it was more pumpkins, but it had like them stacked up like a snowman like that. I have to ask her where that one is. But I'm gonna go plug in the camera battery really quick because it's gonna die. Oh my god, wait, I can't do that yet. I forgot to show you the best thing. Look. Oh! This is the cutest thing. The cutest thing I've ever seen, and I just love the background. I love the colors. I'm so happy I was able to find this. I like squealed when I saw it. Oh my god. Now I gotta go plug in the camera. You guys, I have totally forgot that I was even vlogging today. From the time that I showed you that last clip, it is now like 3:30. No, it's 2:30. And I haven't vlogged one other thing. But I did just get back from Kroger and I have a couple other little fall things that I picked up over there. This right here is not fall, don't mind this. This is my cacti drinks. I love these so freaking much. And apparently a lot of other people do as well because they are always sold out at Kroger, Target, Publix, wherever I try to get it. But I looked on the Kroger app before I went to Kroger to see if they even had it, and they had one. So I had to run and grab it. Also, I got a couple of things here. I got a couple of other pumpkins because I don't have enough of those, but this is super cute. It's a little black one. I could put it somewhere in the kitchen area. And then I got another little white one in the same size. And then I got this little one, which I thought was adorable. It's so little, and I like the design on it. And then I got this bigger white pumpkin. It's the same kind, but it's a little bit bigger, so super cute. And then I got my first ever Squishmallow. Oh my god, look how cute he is. There was like a big bucket of Squishmallows and I saw this one and I said, oh, holy shit, I have to buy you. I could just put him over here. Oh, he's so cute. I love him. Okay, so I swapped this one out. I put the white one here, kind of work in progress, we're gonna see. And then I put these three right here, kind of next to the entryway when you come in. Very cute. I could have got something to go next to the door over here, but I don't know, I just didn't think about it. I just got back home and I got Buffalo Wild Wings. I'm so jazzed. I got these street tacos and some queso. Ooh, tonight's good. I'm having a great night tonight. Good morning, it's the next day. I did not film anything else after my last clip that I filmed, which I already forgot what it was. But it's the next day and you saw me making coffee a second ago. My dishwasher is running and it just got very loud. But today is gonna be pretty boring. I'm just gonna go to my parents' house. We're gonna have ribs. I gotta get away from that damn sound. Hi. So yeah, we're gonna have ribs at my parents' house today and just kind of hang out. My dog Kiva is getting fixed tomorrow, so I'm kind of nervous about it and I'm kind of freaking out about it. She's gonna be fine. She's gonna be fine. It's just that, you know, whenever they get fixed, they have to go under anesthesia, so it kind of makes me a little bit nervous. My parents are gonna take care of her while she's recovering from her surgery. Yeah, I'm gonna change clothes and go over to their house for a little bit. Good morning. It's the next day. I filmed absolutely nothing yesterday. The last clip that I filmed, I think I was talking to you about that I was going to my parents' house. Well, I went to my parents' house yesterday and then I filmed nothing. I got this picture of Kiva, so enjoy that. But other than that, I didn't film, I just forgot. But I'm having my coffee this morning and Kiva's getting fixed today, so I'm like shitting my pants. But I got this new coffee mug from, it's called Wicked AF store. And it's so freaking cute. They had these little mushrooms. I think they had ones that had lemons on it. They had pumpkins. This is the cutest little cup and I love it so much. So fall. And if I do end up getting those last few little items, I will totally show them. So we'll just see. If one shows up, then you'll see it. If not, then I'll show you in another vlog or something. But if this is the end of the vlog, then I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoy me doing nothing and just kind of watching me be a normal human, like just a regular human being. And click up the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, so this actually just arrived. She's so cute. She's really big. And it's just a nice little pumpkin pillow. I wish it was white. I mean, it is, but I thought it was going to be like white, but it's more of kind of like a cream. So it's okay, it'll stay, it'll work, but she's super cute. Now I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog because there's nothing else that's gonna get here in time. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!